With Minexa, both developers and non-developers train once on a page in the browser. Then reuse that scraper across thousands of similar pages via a scraper ID, perfect for scraping land property listings efficiently. Head to the site you want. Minexa handles pages that load content dynamically, including infinite scroll, load more buttons, and delayed rendering. Open the Minexa extension. This is where extraction begins, whether you are exporting to Excel or running large-scale workflows. Press the button so Minexa reads the page structure. It detects whether results use pagination, infinite scroll, or a load more system automatically. The full result set is within reach. Minexa found the pagination and will move through all pages on every run. Decide between list only for the results page or detail pages to also scrape each individual row. Click Continue for standard pages. Use advanced mode when the site needs a click, filter, or interaction before the data becomes visible. Confirm the highlighted section and click Create Scraper. This generates a scraper you can reuse anytime through the browser extension or API. All columns are ranked by relevance. Select the ones you need from the list, or click directly on the page to pick a specific field. For land listings, you might see price, acreage, location, and property type automatically detected. Click API Request to get code that handles multiple groups of URLs in one request while returning everything in a single structured output. One more step. Click Complete Configuration before the final setup is complete. Full dataset coverage is built in. The scraper will follow every page of results without any extra steps. Everything looks good. Optionally connect Google Sheets or set a schedule. Then click to create your scraping job. Click Run, and Minexa applies deterministic extraction rules. Reruns on unchanged pages produce identical outputs for reproducibility. What you see here spans multiple pages, but every row looks the same. Column names never change because they were set once during training and reused across every page. Typical fields include price, acreage, location, property type, and listing details. This data can be dropped straight into databases, pipelines, or spreadsheets for immediate use. Click Export. The file is ready immediately for anyone to open, whether technical or not. Install Minexa and move from browser to export in minutes via Chrome extension or API using the same scraper everywhere.